The Bosch Fridge E3 error is a common issue that can occur in Bosch refrigerators, indicating a problem with the temperature sensor or the electronic control system. To fix this error, it is essential to understand the meaning, causes, and solutions. First, the E3 error code typically indicates that the temperature sensor is not working correctly, or there is a communication issue between the sensor and the electronic control system. This can cause the fridge to malfunction, leading to temperature fluctuations and potential food spoilage. The primary causes of the E3 error include a faulty temperature sensor, loose or damaged wiring, and issues with the electronic control system. To diagnose the problem, start by checking the temperature sensor and wiring for any signs of damage or wear. If the sensor or wiring appears to be damaged, it may need to be replaced. To fix the E3 error, follow these steps. Check the temperature sensor and wiring, and replace them if necessary. Next, reset the electronic control system by unplugging the fridge and plugging it back in. This can sometimes resolve the issue by rebooting the system. If the error persists, it may be necessary to replace the electronic control system or consult a professional for further assistance. In some cases, the issue may be related to a software glitch, which can be resolved by updating the firmware or consulting the user manual. To prevent the E3 error from occurring in the future, regular maintenance is essential. This includes checking the temperature sensor and wiring for signs of wear, ensuring proper installation and calibration of the sensor, and keeping the fridge clean and well ventilated. In conclusion, the Bosch Fridge E3 error can be fixed by understanding the meaning, causes, and solutions. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can diagnose and resolve the issue, ensuring your fridge is working correctly and efficiently. Remember to always refer to the user manual and consult a professional if you are unsure about any aspect of the repair process.